Good day to all our wonderful followers. Nalbadi malon jilalon telemorra na jam katen ke Gam TV to yala kana yin quick update wol sambale na yin tembe na milwe finti kan Gambia Bangkok. Anyway, na story 1 be obond la Kerfatu wolle sapere ke nyina minkita Attorney General the Minister of Justice Dawda Jallow kunun arabola tata deputy bun kuna anin deputy li kacha so minkita jammening Gambia Coalition Government na agreement court. So wala be kala na story 1 be men samala nam story 2 be men samala na wala nyinti kon ko finally ata minister kilon ana ata parliament dan wala letter o safe deputy bungol bulu pour nin draft constitution of mi alan ko ya samba deputy bungoto ko ni march karo 27 anyanda kata second reading pour deputy le carte fayala kola ko kan ana ata kan dane deputy bulu pour isalum sounding wala be la story fulanya la story sabanya minke da Senegal la former president Macky Sall ya fo saintenti Morocco ko pour ay finti ila banko kan o fatu network le safe wala be la story sabanya de story nan njawon be danda ma wo ke da sojaro de mindi yam tanu anala info mo ka fa Ibrahim Sanya adi yam tanu baka soldala banko kan nun ya fo saintenti kibaron be finde kan ko ni Ibrahim Sanya nyin sojaro Gambia Army ya telebay saintenti ka wala do ko wala so nyulla mun na kibarol tin mel benale ka fa le an albadi malan jilalon television Gam TV to yala kana kay update ul sambale no be danro kala mo le meli alon ko man subscribe sakate subscribe video si ake like so kafan da TikTok followers will find a full story katara YouTube le ni min sulata full story la TikTok profile on yinta ya click dron ya click YouTube la icon obi je o press abe samala direct YouTube ibe full story ni access la ke so ndalta kele nyamin da time or waste la baka ngata Kerfatu na full story kana minketa justice minister ni deputy all right that is the full story. Kerfatu Mahmuda Kanwaldi, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice Dawda Jallow told the National Assembly on Wednesday that the government of the Gambia has no knowledge of any formal agreement between the 2026 coalition and former President Yahya Jammeh regarding his exiles. The statement came in response to a question posed by Keba T. Sane, the National Assembly member for Fonyi Jarol, during a parliamentary session. Eko Attorney General Minketa Gambia Law Minister of Justice Dawda Jallow eko lebe deputy Jabi kan deputy mi alonko Fonyi Jarol la deputy le ka faye Keba T. Sane eko le Minister of Attorney General Minister of Justice Dawda Jallow nyininka Gambia government former President Minketa Yahya Jammeh la quote minketa la agreement o de ko men sign iko bar minister in jabiro mindi Keba T. Sane la wala nyinti ko kamang agreement wala any formal agreement Gambia man sakunda coalition government minketa 2016 coalition on former president Yahya Jammeh min sign akama kalama ama agreement je ndung amamba kalama kafuko coalition government 2026 ni Yahya Jammeh former president ye agreement wala sign minketa la finti nyati banko kan ka fa banko bula. Sane expressed the minister for details about an alleged agreement between the 2016 coalition agreement signed by alongside the West African Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, the African Union, and the United Nations, and Jammeh, which he claimed facilitated the former president's departure into exile in 2017. However, Minister Jallow refuted the existence of such agreement, stating the government is not aware of any agreement entered into coalition 2026 and the former president Jammeh. So Eko Sane continued hand obe kabin minister justice minister Dawda Jallow hitandala kama mba kalama kafuko coalition man sakunda agreement o sign ini ya Jammeh forming suntala fintinyala banko kan 2026 2017 in peace wato Eko Sane continued ka for minister eko agreement o wala sign min tambita coalition man sakunda tema aning African Union tema aning ECOWAS tema min keta West African ECOWAS tema aning United Nations tema min keta UN ego kam Mr. Jallow ko min keta justice minister ko na ko keta atememba kalama amang ke moti mi alon ko ayo agreement o je kafa ko Gambia man sakunda ning coalition o ning agreement na sign agreement na sign min sunta yaja mela finti nyala nyim banko kan 2017 sound ko instead Jallow pointed to a joint declaration issued on January 21st 2017 by ECOWAS, African Union and United Nations. The declaration outlined commitments to work with the Gambia government to ensure Jammeh's dignity, security and rights to return to the country at any time. But Jallow emphasized that this was not an agreement involving the government directly. This is a joint declaration and it's not an agreement. A declaration is different from agreement, he clarified, noting that the Gambia government was a signatory to the government. Eko kang Mr. Jallow Mikira Justice Minister te a continue de California Ahmad Sane ni Mr. Sane Keba Sane fonyi jaro line dipte ko ati abembo min kalama wole keta joint declaration ni wole ke min keta coalition mansakunda ni ECOWAS ani African Union ni UN. Ako declaration o dun woman ke agreement o yintiwo ako kan so atiman Gambia mansakunda fonje directly ka fako Gambia mansakunda wole lota ka agreement o sign inin Gambia former president tema membe sunna la finti nyala banko kan wala al agreement o min fana yala ko kala security itolle be lola Gambia mansakunda wole be lola jamme fon la security la anyem finti no banko kan anem fana alafta na la banko kan wato wat asenano jele ay kairo nin tenko soto no banko kan anim fana la fengol ko ite mala anala supporta sol wala la minister la milialan ko jamme ni do ko so minister of justice minister ko indiri kenyin deputy la min keda Keba Sane de fon jinjaro la deputy ka fayde atema o agreement je Gambia masakunda fon min sign aka ite kam min fo mo declaration de mi ala ko ECOWAS le o sign anin African Union aka bo kala mala ko bari o manki agreement ota ako agreement on in declaration o man killing so akaman agreement je Gambia man sakunda fo dunta minto so altulole o moy wole bota fonyi jaro la député pulu mi yalon ko minister of justice chale nyina la député bon ko na kafo e jammela ko ni Gambia man sakunda men sign no ko wala jamme nyanta murna banko kan ayatara mota kitindla ay security sot no banko kan ala bagasol fana même ma fon la property multi mal par justice minister e ko bayle ako mu kulet mi yalon ko declaration wala ando declaration o ECOWAS long and African Union and United Nations wolle ko sign anen coalition 2016 ako bar Gambia guman sakunda ka fo way fen sign mimo agreement o teje ananda ko endir kala ko agreement o ni declaration o fanam man killing so badi ngalal tulole o may so all right so ngata kerfatu ko tenge ko the Minister of Justice has requested that the second reading of the 2024 draft constitution to be scheduled the secondary ordinary section in June 2025 e ko munyi mkibar let mi alon ka but justice minister la bulo ay letter wala ki député bon to kata kla ko kan ka fo ko ya nyin lungo min land min nyande kala 2020 nyin march karo on the 27 fe pour kana nyin draft constitution wala second reading e ko minister of justice e letter ki kla ko kana membe député bon to ka fay ibadan la pour ya lungo nyin sound kata June so asata June kada sign tending emantara parerim bare eko initially the March 2027 the bill was to be presented before the lawmakers during the first ordinary session of the 2025 legislative year. This stage would have allowed members to debate in merits and principle before reading whether to advance or reject it. Eko ye lum follow me mata wala be kala nyam maj karo til mo ni woro wulo fe wala bay biloni drafo ni abenana na pour dibel ya kacha kola no eko bare just Minister of Justice ay later okay klako kana National Assembly ko isa soundi ye nyin do bay for June karo kono kato imam pare kurinke so badun albele amay nyin kabedan kunun na nyin ko fota no akeda breaking news kaben wo kuno wularo eko klako warola man sakunda finally draft memo 2024 draft ala second reading ya baile o sa kamulon ko hankabi president baro ne ala mole imanyo may follow wala hankabi akamulon negotiation o wala beta continue la min be continue la ning opposition United Democratic Party fi moje ma ya muta hankabi wala yatin na yanyi second reading na 27 March no wanyim bay So ngata Fatu Network wole yin kibaro sabi. Eko former Senegalese president reported unwelcome in Morocco. Eko Senegal la former president minketa Macky Sall eka kamulon ko Morocco sign ko dende ma welcome ko te ila banko kan danaka yijiya min kala abandala pro asila banko bula. According to this CHIDIM, a Mauritanian website and media outlets, Morocco has allegedly informed former Senegalese President Macky Sall that he is no longer welcome in the kingdom and must leave the country. Kwenye kibaro ya bonde namde wala Mauritanian la side news outlet or media outlet platform or mi kafai CHIDIM. Mauritanian la news media outlet wala. Eko wale kwenye kibaro sadami yalan ko kibar ko ilang abota Morocco le ko Morocco man sakunda sign tente wale Senegal la former president ka mi Macky Sall eko sign pura ila banko la ay finti ila banko kan ko sign tente imagine ko den ejiya min kala bandala pura sa kata ay ila banko bula tariyak nyam. This report was cited by Senegalese news outside. Senewek claims a shift in relationship as Senegalese authorities investigate corrupt allegation. The CHIDIM article cited well-informed sources stating that the Senegalese authority reportedly communicated to Morocco through diplomatic channel about potential extradition request. So, ekonyen kibaro from Senegalese la newspaper site bijele ka mi Seneweb fane safero kala eko Seneweb safero ke mina ni Mauritania la site wonyum fane ka mi CHIDIM e ka kamulun ko e bela informational bendal e be information ko kelon e be wolle safe e ka kamulun nyin kibaro mo kibar lat mi yalon ka seniatal Morocco man sakunda saintente wolle Senegal la former president kumande e ko praye le banko bla e ko mo jama fo min nyin sunta minna ni aja Morocco e yutonta e ka ho Macky Sall le banko bla e ko saintente nyin man sakunda membe sirin joma e fay man sakunda ye kiskisiro daele president former president nala mol kamal e ko kan inata kanamta ko ye corruption on na flow mintinya bankola na flow asiyata baka atata kodo CFA billion jama wakan ya fako former president minke da Macky Sall nyin corruption o jama ani na fultinya ni na ful sunya minke da banko kan o jama atle anya ton kaya e ko kan nyin president man sakunda membe sirin Senegal minke da jama e fay man sakunda inata Morocco man sakunda kumande kayita ndi ko sa fero be kana Macky Sall isa futande no Senegal nyame o isa finde no la banko kan nyame pray ne danko Senegal nyin kiskisrol membe je ani nyin kitel ni allegation mi yala prasena ko indirikel ko joma e fay man sakunda de yenyin ko keno nyame wala diplomatic channel e wala use wala yake diplomatic bangunim banko tema relationship e wala use e ko Morocco e ko bayri diplomatic badi ya membe nal tema relationship kan be lafri nyin la pro former president membe sir ngal la banko kan asafin noji nyame pray ne danko nyin tumiron. The Senegalese government spokesperson Mamadou Moustapha Dike Sarr has been quoted as saying the former president cannot escape justice. The Senegalese government spokesperson Mamadou Moustapha Dike Sarr kay ñu koy ndir la fon kay ñu fonu kababe diam ka radio re ko Senegal la former president Minkita Macky Sall kata kanano la kitiela fasata kitiela. While Morocco has made no official statement on the matter, the former president has been residing in Morocco since leaving office. The scientist Morocco man sakunda fanam mandi am folon akola kabinyin kibarul finta e ko bar membe ko en wala nyen ko Senegal la nyen former president kabaye man sakunda bula kana bi han bi abesiri Morocco bankol kan balde ngol albele amoy e ko Senegal la former president Macky Sall e ko sainte tim abesiri banko min kam min keta Morocco de wala fanan ko puraye la banko bula bayri ye allegation ni tumirol min la kan na fultinya to kala maralon asiyata paken. So albeit lole amay ngalo nyinkay nyanta hani Gambia government fanan karandilal especially President Barrow anala mod ko kudu. So ngata na last story minkeda soldier roti Ibrahim Masanya. Eko a soldier breaking news, a soldier Ibrahim Masanya has been expelled from Gambia National Army after he released video talking about the hardship in the country. He served 10 years in the Gambia Army and more details coming. Soldier Romi alon kay ka fay Ibrahim Masanya alnyabe nyi minna tenting ala TikTok video fintetal kawabe diam kam price wala dala fa ala banko kanja waka moja maana ta sila la kola akola idea moment akola fon nata kibaro sorol min bota la family kan yafo idoma min keta ni Ibrahim Sanyang ka bayin ndi amoke dron Gambia amia arresle abedite non fajara barracks bare sainte de kibaro me finde kan e ko ni Ibrahim Sanyang min keta ni soja rote e kala ndi amode akola man na wat sainte Gambia amia bayle ya da handi do ko e ko mi yatina ayo kuma konsa gandi badin la bala fa warta pat yalan Gambia man sa Gambia be wala nyam so wato wati nimbanko dingol diam ta drong especially man sakunda ma drong nyato ko lete be institution omen wala ka fa ite yek ngobula problem wala kon wakanga e be kana comfortable e ke de mutale ye bayo because ami nyato ko mi je mobe yalon wala be laare nyam man sakunda le kan bayri prestam baro wala wala appoint wakan ninyen ko makon si fa fa wato wade banko ding wala right express drong e tol ke mutale wo ye fan so mbadon la balfa wata albere nyaaje min keta nyin sojaro to Ibrahim Sanyang ke barol be finte kan ko saintenti ya da handele yefo nyanda la do ko la ami ya bayle saintenti o very sad anyway ka fale nyul man na stolti men sotala nal badi male jila long